What's up, gang? It's Curvy Lee here, and welcome to Curvy Trends and day 4 of Vlogmas. Day 4 of my self-love and self-care challenge requires me to be vegan for the day, and day 4 of Vlogmas required me to try a new recipe. So I decided to make some tofu. First, you're gonna start with some super firm tofu. If you want that like chicken meaty feel, you're gonna definitely want it to be super firm. You're gonna slice those and then pat it dry, and then you're gonna crumble those into little pieces like this. You're going to season it up with some Chinese 5-spice, onion powder, garlic powder, and a touch of salt. And then you're going to put a little bit of olive oil on there and toss it up really good. Put it in the oven at 450 for 10 minutes. While that is roasting, you're going to thinly slice you some cucumbers. I personally prefer to have the English cucumbers for dishes like this. However, my grocery store was out, so I had to settle for what I could get. Dress those cucumbers with 1.5 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, as well as a pinch of salt for taste, and then let those chill in the fridge. I prefer shiitake mushrooms, however, portobello was more accessible to me. So you're gonna chop those up into bite-sized pieces, season them with the same seasons as you did the tofu, drizzle with olive oil, and then toss those in the oven for 10 minutes along with the tofu. Now let's work on our sauce. In a mixing bowl, you're going to whisk together 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 1/4 cups of soy, and 1/4 cups of honey. You can adjust this depending on how you want it to taste. Mine was a little bit too spicy, so I had to play with it a little bit. But if you want it sweeter or spicier, or a little bit more salty, whatever you decide, you can definitely adjust this. This is definitely a recipe you can play with. Pop this back in the oven for another 10 minutes along with your vegan dumplings. I did find these at Walmart and they were absolutely amazing. Chop up some green onion to add to the flavor profile, but it also makes a really pretty garnish. And then you can start plating. This was a really satisfying meal. The super firm tofu gives you a nice consistency comparable to me. I promise you should definitely try it. And that is day 4 of Vlogmas, you guys. We are pumping strong 4 days in. I will see you tomorrow for day 5. Bye-bye.